Hi, my name is Esther Salami, and you're welcome to Trending Today on the News Chronicle TV. Now, let's talk about the trending stories across Nigeria. First off, we have a UNIZIK female student who attacked and beat a lecturer over a TikTok video. Now, this student in question was dancing classroom corridor, and then the lecturer wanted to pass, and he tapped her on her shoulders and said, "Excuse me." However, this lady began claiming that he touched her, and then she said shouting, and then she attacked him, and she was pulling his shirt. Even though other students tried to intervene, she didn't pull back. And this lecturer, even in videos across social media platform, was seen to have raised his hands, in restraint. However, she didn't pull back. She kept dragging him and eventually beat the lecturer. Now, here is the thing: she's allegedly said to have to be the daughter of an engineering lecturer in the same school. So the university has decided to look into the issue, and then further details of the case will be passed on our website. Now, the second story is the story of Tubaba, who publicly declared his love and intention for marriage to Edo State lawmaker Natasha Osawaru. Now, this caused a lot of outrage, from social media persons who believed that she was the cause of his divorce from Annie Idibia. However, he said these claims were baseless and that he and Annie Idibia are good. And also the Naira also experienced a little loss, I think 0.7% loss, and also CBN has decided to impose a fee on customers who use other banks' ATM machines. So if you're a GT Bank user and you use your ATM in an Access Bank ATM, you would be charged for a fee. For more stories trending, be sure to check our website at thenews-chronicle.com. Like this video and share it with your community. Also subscribe to our channels for more content like this, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.